Today we're at Amsterdam for the judging day for the Innovation Awards. The key criteria for the Innovation Award is originality, but along with that we look for how practical that product is in terms of efficiencies, impact on productivity, sustainability. It has to be real and workable for the cleaning industry. The quality of innovations has been increasing year on year. The cleaning industry is now becoming much more professional in its approach to how it develops smart solutions and practical solutions for the cleaning business. Go and have a look at them online and make your choice for the winner of the Visitor's Choice Prize.